Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys all about the Sapphire Macaw, which I have here. Basically, you'll get an 8.46% chance of hatching it in the gem egg. That's how you can obtain it. And it is a mythical pet. Its passive abilities is that every 8 minutes, 15% chance to mutate a nearby fruit, applying the crystallized mutation. So if you want your plants to have the crystallized mutation, you can get it via the Sapphire Macaw. I've only gotten the topaz snail, amethyst beetle, Sapphire Macaw. Wait, did I say topaz snail? Yes. And one more was I don't remember what it was. There was one more. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much the Sapphire Macaw's ability on Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.